When I think of SHI, partners is the first thing that comes to mind. So we don't just talk about tactical projects all the time. Part of our relationship is that we're always talking about what's next for Rapid7, what are the big things that we're thinking about strategically, what are the disruptive technologies that we should be either leveraging or concerned about. My name is Heintz, and I head up the IT infrastructure and operations team at Rapid7. Rapid7 is a cybersecurity company, and we're focused on helping customers find and detect threats and then learn strategies to mitigate and avoid them. And the simplest way for me to explain what I do is I help the company derive value from technology. So that's understanding the tools that we use, making sure that the company's getting a benefit from it, making sure that the infrastructure that we set up is driving productivity, making sure that our customers are getting value from the tools that we use. One of the things I learned as soon as I got at the company was their licensing and some of their architecture was a bit in disarray. So I've worked with SHI for more than 10 years across several companies. And previous experience working with SHI, I knew that they had a core competency in licensing and helping companies navigate that. And that's why SHI was my first call when I got there. One of the challenges we faced was we had an existing phone system that didn't meet all of our needs. It wasn't well integrated with our systems, it didn't have the reporting that we needed for our stakeholders, and the technology itself just wasn't as reliable as we were expecting it to be. So what we wanted to do is leverage cloud technology. We wanted to make sure that anything that we put in place didn't require any on-prem infrastructure. We also wanted to be well integrated with many of our other tools in our ecosystem. We wanted to have automation built in. We wanted to leverage some of the new AI capabilities. And we also wanted to make sure throughout this process that we were partnering with our sales teams and our go-to-market teams and the folks that use the phone heavily and make sure they have a voice in the project and make sure they participate throughout the process. So we spent some time partnering with SHI. We drilled really deep in on the problem and all the things that we were looking to do. We made sure we invited our stakeholders, so we had leaders from the sales and marketing and different teams participate, talk through their needs, talk through their challenges. And we took all of that information and we kind of came up with a scope and we came up with some parameters of what types of companies we were looking for. For us, for example, it was very important that it be a cloud-based company. We wanted no infrastructure to have to support. We didn't want to have anything in our server rooms. We really wanted this to be just a pure cloud play. And we wanted it to work with all of our tools. So we wanted our cake and we wanted to eat it too. SHI was really an advocate for us in this whole process because of how they were teaming with our stakeholders, with the IT team, with everyone involved. Ooh, if I had a message to deliver to the people of SHI, I would tell them to keep doing what they're doing, to stay focused on the customer, to keep true to their values. Don't stray from the path.